What is up? It's your boy here bringing to you guys a brand new freaking video, man. So look, listen, today we got an exciting one. Today we got a fun one. Today we may have a little bit of a biased one. We're gonna be talking. We're gonna be talking about why you need to buy a Toyota Tacoma. I get a lot of people in the comment section asking me, Aang, I'm on the fence. I don't know. Should I get this Tacoma or should I just go with what I know? Should I just get another Ford? Should I get another Ram? I contacted YouTube. I got with them. I said, look, there's some words that I don't want people to mention in my comment section. So now the other big name trucks are no longer able to be said in my comments. So that's how I feel about that decision. Obviously, I'm kidding. Go ahead and type Ram, Ford, whatever you want in the comment section. As long as you leave a comment, I appreciate your face. In all seriousness though, there are some people in the comments who ask me, Aang, how are you liking your truck? I don't even own a Tacoma, but I'm interested in getting it from your videos. Convince me a little bit more. I accept your challenge. Most people either have a full size and just don't need the full size truck anymore, or some have another midsize and they're interested in getting another midsize. If you see feet, those are my girlfriend's feet. Just in case you just like, I don't know, I don't want you guys to think I'm crazy for having some feet in the. Nonetheless, a lot of times when I get comments from people that own other vehicles, I think they're in like the service room, right? And they're trying to get their truck fixed and they're like, man, I'm so sick of this truck. I'm gonna go online and see what I can get better. Thank you for coming to my video, service room guy. That's enough chitter chat. Please leave an early like, a comment, and a subscription, as always, if this video does help you out. But that does bring me into my first point. The reliability and dependability of this Tacoma stands out and is #1 versus everything. Just from Consumer Reports, this truck is the best. From 2016, from the time it came out, from the new generation, all the way to now, it is the best-selling mid-size pickup truck for a reason. Because you get it, you go and look at airplanes, and you go back home without a problem. It'll start, it'll turn off, it'll tow a little boat or a jet ski, it'll carry 4 people in your truck every time you need it to. It will never break, it will never shut down. Obviously, there's exceptions, you know, every manufacturer has, but out of all, this is the one I don't mind going in debt for. You know, if you're here, the Toyota Tacoma is the most reliable, it's the most dependable. #2, this is kind of a little bit subjective, but the mods are endless. You can do whatever you want to this truck. The other day, I actually saw a modified Toyota Tacoma that had a person's name in the grill. What? There's so many third-party companies that are making modifications for these trucks religiously. And just as a simple proof, go onto Amazon, look up Chevy Colorado mods, Ford Ranger mods, and then look up Toyota Tacoma mods. Even Amazon is proving that the mods on the Tacoma are endless. There's so many more mods for this truck. It gives you that lane of uniqueness and making it your own. There's no other voodoo blue truck like mine. Not exactly like mine. Have you measured the amount of brake dust that I have up front? I don't think so. So it's not exactly like mine. I'm kidding, but it gives you that lane of uniqueness, making it your own, and that's what I really enjoy. The mods are endless. Number three is probably one of my favorite things about this Toyota Tacoma, because let's say you are on the fence, right? Let's say you are a GMC fan, you're a Chevy fan, you're a Ford fanboy. I appreciate your honesty and knowing that you have a problem. That's the first step to this whole situation. Let's say you get a Toyota Tacoma, you buy a Tacoma, you enjoy it, you put 20,000 miles on it in like 2 years, you go to trade it in, you barely took a hit, buddy. You barely took a hit. The resale on these bad boys is absolutely absurd. Some people I know sold their Tacoma that was used for more than they bought it for. I was one of them, so I can vouch for that. Of course, we are in crazy times right now, but nonetheless, it's definitely possible, even when the market wasn't so crazy. You can get another truck that has more features, that has a lot more luxurious things, that, well, when you go to trade it in, you really take a hit. I love that about Toyota, that obviously when you take it off the lot, you take a hit because, well, it's no longer a brand new car, it's now a used car. But especially with their lineups like Land Cruisers, Tacomas, Tundras, Foreigners, Sequoias, you don't see that. You take it off the lot and you do the right things to it, or maybe nothing at all, and this bad boy is worth as much, if not more, at very worst, a little bit under what you paid for it. It's absolutely absurd. So I think those are my favorite things about it. 1, it's reliable, it's dependable. Number two, the mods are endless. You can do whatever you want to this truck. It's sick. And number 3, the resale. The resale value is the best thing. It's kind of like one of those things like your money back guarantee type of deal, where a lot of people struggle to get a new car because they're like, well, if I buy this car I have to keep it forever because I'm gonna be so flipped upside down. Not really. You buy this truck, use it for a year or two. Obviously you can't buy it, use it for 6 years and try to get all the money back, but you won't lose as much value as you would on another truck. That's what I appreciate about these trucks. Nonetheless, I hope you guys did enjoy. If you did, please leave a like, a comment, and a subscription. Let me know, did I just convince you to go buy a Tacoma? If so, let the person know that you walk in that Aing sent you, and I will be expecting my commission check. But nonetheless, it's been your boy. I'm out like an Audi. I'll see you tomorrow. Cinco de Malo. Peace.